Stuck with Roblox error 403? Let's fix that in no time. Error 403 usually means you're banned or there's a temporary access issue. First things first, check your internet connection. Restart your modem and router to make sure you've got a stable connection. Next, clear your Roblox cache. Here's how. Press Windows plus R, type %app data %, find the Roblox folder, click it, then press Shift plus Delete to remove the cache. Still not working? Disable your VPN or antivirus. These can sometimes interfere and cause 403 errors. Also, check Roblox server status on status.roblox.com. If the servers are down, there's nothing you can do but wait. If you're still stuck, consider using a proxy server to change your IP address. It might help if your IP is banned. And if you believe the ban is a mistake, contact the Roblox appeals team for help. Remember, some 403 errors are just temporary, so hang tight. Alright, that's it. You're ready to get back to your Roblox adventures.